All right, guys, y'all heard that? No go-kart?
Yeah, I got one for you.
Oh, you got one for me? Oh, my goodness.
Oh,
Alrighty, guys, look what they put me in. Yes, I cannot drive all the way out there on that freaking lot. So, I decided to rent. There we go. Alright, guys, I'm going down to the Chrysler section. Woo, it's your boy. Alrighty, guys, let's get it. Look at all this junk. See, y'all be careful, man. That's where your insurance company be getting all y'all parts from. That suspension is gone. They'll come out and get a part off of that and just put it on your car. Wait a minute, that ain't right. That is just not right. Alright, where's the Chrysler section? I'm looking for an 09 Dodge Grand Caravan or Chrysler Town and Country. Oh my goodness, they have moved. Uh-oh. I smell Chryslers. I smell Penstars. Yeah, what year is this? This look like one right here. What year is that? That's a 2013. Anybody need anything off of 2013? Roads to Nowhere. I think you got a 2012. You need anything? Project. See what I'm saying? I guarantee you the fuse box is gone off of these damn things because this place, man, they always want to grab stuff. That's why I don't hate. That's why I hate. I'm at S&W. That's why I hate S&W. They grab all the goodies. Like, say for instance that. Look at that. Ain't no engine in there. Oh my goodness. So what in the hell make me think I'm gonna find a damn TIPM? Yeah, that's not a long shot in here unless the car just got dropped off. Look, all gutted out. Now what the hell we supposed to buy off of this? Man, pull apart is not this way. Uh-oh. What year is this? Look, see that PCM? I recognize that. They didn't get that PCM off of there. Is this a TIPM car? Is it? TIPM gone. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, is this the year making models? This look just like mine. The same color and everything, don't it? Boy, they stripped this sucker down. Ooh, they got all in the headline on this. What year is this? This is 2012, so this won't work. A different bus network. But, oh my goodness. They went all in and out of this sucker here. Alright, but it's worthless. Look at this Dodge Journey. I need a freaking... See, now I'm about to get pissed off. You're telling me I ruined my whole Sunday. And two different damn... look, it's nothing in here to get. How the hell you call yourself a salvage yard and ain't nothing to salvage? Alright guys, let me go right around the other side. This look like right around my year range. But it doesn't matter. There's no freaking TIPM. Man, these mother suckers. I go van over here. Let me go check this before I give up on this area. What year is this? It's a Town and Country. That's a 2013. So this won't not work on mine. I need a 2008 through 10. The bus network changed in 2012 or 2011. Hey, who still got a PT Cruiser? Ooh, yeah, that's enough to total it, guys. Y'all see that? Don't take much to total these damn things. I bet the insurance adjuster like, yeah, lady, it's fairly simple. We're going to total your car. I'm out of luck, man. Another wasted time. Oh my goodness. Look at all that. See, that's what they do once they done making all the money they can off of once they done salvaging all the engine motor mount. That's like a gone. Then they take it over there. I guess they crush them and look how appropriate. Look at that sign. End of life. Let me go over here and take a good thumbnail of this. Ooh, well, ladies and gentlemen, that was a huge, colossal waste of freaking time. Okay, I did not accomplish nothing. The two vans that they say they had, the total engine compartment is just ramsacked, gone, like no more. What section is this? Is this the Buick section? I don't know, guys. I don't know these other makes. Y'all know I've been in this bubble far too long. I know some of y'all can just look at an emblem. Just look at the tail end of the car and tell what it is. Some of y'all just that good. GMC. Ooh, yes. I'd say total, if you ask me. If any body shop try to fix that, you don't want to deal with that body shop. Just let it go, man. Let it go. Anybody need a bumper? All right, I'm wasting time. Yes, guys, I'm at the world famous S&W Auto Salvage Parts, but it's nothing but, look at that old monster there. Yeah, interesting stuff. I wanted to see some of the old Jeeps. I like pull apart because, like I say, a lot of their vehicles are still intact. All right, they not. Why is that? Is that a Chrysler? Wait a minute. What in the world? That look like some of our stuff, but why is it over here? All right, guys, hold on tight. I gotta be nosy. Oh no, that's got a Cadillac emblem on it, ain't it? No, I'm still wrong. What is this? Toyota? Not the beloved Toyota everybody brag on. Toyotas out here in the salvage yard. Where you Toyota lovers at? My engine never mess up. My transmission lasts 500,000 miles without even servicing it. Wait a minute. Yeah, Toyota. Imagine that. You people, I don't get you. I don't understand you people. This is a Toyota. Why on earth is it? Matter of fact, I'm in the Toyota section, ain't I? Toyotas all over the place. All right? Look at that. The engine is gone. The drivetrain is gone. I'm finna make fun of Toyota and all you Toyota lovers out there. Yeah. What y'all think about this? Look at all these freaking Toyotas. Broke. Toe up. Ticking noise. Transmission slipping. You name it. They had all kinds of problems. All right? Yeah. Where y'all at now? Let me stop playing. You don't have to be you can be a Toyota lover and not badge out the other problem. That's my problem with Toyota lovers. See, they right, you know, rep your city, rep your game, rep your product, whatever you like, rep it. But in the process, you don't have to dog out the competitors, okay? Fluff Dog, where you at, man? Oh, I see a lot of Nissans out here too. Man, interesting. But yeah, you Toyota lovers, you know, calm down, man. All right, yeah, just calm the hell down. It ain't that serious. Yeah, and it was a V6 too, and it was a convertible top. Okay. Nissans, look, they all a piece of junk. All these imports, Japanese. Let me stop before I get some hate mail in my comment section. All right. Interesting. All right, guys, I'm just having fun. If y'all own Toyotas, rep them to the fullest. Just don't be coming over here talking smack about them. Always ticking. Oil filter depth the house is always leaking. Oh, you know what killed me? What's funny? People that own these cars crying about rose to nowhere and got a Caravan, and every comment out, every word out of his freaking mouth is dogging out the product that he owns. I don't get that. I don't understand that. What? Oh my goodness. Pin or tick. That's what he call them. If pin or tick, probably ticking again. I would use nothing but Derman oil filter housing. I'm like, no, Rose. OEM Mopar for life. Mopar, no car. No, you stupid. Why are you still using plastic oil coolers? Because they're better when they revise. This is the revised version. I ain't finna get into that. Like I say, I love everybody, man. Y'all rep y'all product. If y'all like something, like it. But don't hate something and own the very same product that you hate. Why? Why? Let me get in my go-kart and get out of here. This thing is so slow, I can outrun this thing. Wait a minute, that ain't right. All right, guys, y'all know me. Ain't nothing professional about this channel. I play around, I clown around, I do all that good stuff. And people have an appetite for this foolishness. Y'all believe that? Oh, that wind messing up my audio. So, with that being known,